Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to take the first step in creating your own YouTube channel? In this video, I'll be guiding you through the process of creating a YouTube channel in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is perfect for you. Step 1. Creating a Google account. To create a YouTube channel, you'll need to have a Google account. If you don't already have one, don't worry, it's easy to create. Go to account.google.com and click on Create Account. Fill out the required information. Select Get a Gmail address. Write your first name and then last name. Choose your date of birth and then gender. Select or write your desired Gmail ID. Choose password and boom! It's done. Step 2. Creating a YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, you can create a YouTube channel. Sign in with your Google account. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on the Create Channel button. Step 3. Choosing your channel name. Now it's time to choose your channel name. This is the name that will appear on your YouTube channel, so choose something that represents you or your brand. Make sure to choose a name that is easy to remember and spell. Step 4. Customizing your channel art. To customize your channel art, click on the Customize Channel button. Then, click on the Profile Picture and Banner tabs to upload your images. We use Canva to make a channel art. Your channel art is the visual representation of your channel. It includes your profile picture, banner, and background image. Step 5. Setting up your channel description. To set up your channel description, click on the Customize Channel button. Then, click on the Description tab and fill out the required information. Your channel description is the text that appears on your YouTube channel. It should include information about you or your brand, as well as what viewers can expect from your content. Step 6. Setting up your channel keywords. Your channel keywords are the words and phrases that help viewers find your content. To set up your channel keywords, click on the Settings button. Then, click on the Channel tab and fill out the required information. Step 7. Verifying your channel. To verify your channel, you'll need to enter a verification code that YouTube sends to your phone or email. This helps to ensure that your channel is legitimate and not spam. Step 8. Setting up your channel categories. Your channel categories are the topics that your content falls under. To set up your channel categories, click on the Settings button. Then, click on the Upload Default tab and scroll down to Categories and select according to need. Step 9. Uploading your first video. Now that your channel is set up, it's time to upload your first video. Click on the Create button on your channel dashboard. Click on Upload and select the video. Now type SEO optimized title, as I write for my video How to Use Facebook Working FG. Then write description for the video as my description is in this video. The methods of how a new person can use Facebook are portrayed in easiest ways. Hashtag Facebook, hashtag FB, also use hashtags as I used. Select thumbnail for the video. Choose playlist or make a new one. Then scroll down to YouTube tags. Write SEO optimized tags as my tags are Facebook, how to use Facebook FB account, FB login, how to make Facebook account. Choose category if you want to. And then scroll down to comment section, select on. Click on Next and choose End Screens and Cards. Cards are not displaying because it's the first video. Cards show the videos uploaded on the channel. We can use other channel videos, but not now. Click Next and choose whether to publish or unlist the video, and then click Publish or Save. And that's it. You now have a fully functional YouTube channel. Remember to always follow YouTube's community guidelines and terms of service. If you're looking to start your YouTube journey the right way, I definitely recommend giving Vidic a try. It's a tool used by tons of creators for things like keyword research, video SEO, and tracking how your videos are performing. Vidic also lets you spy on your competitors, helps you find trending topics, and even gives you video scorecards to make sure you're on the right track. Try it out for free using the link in the description and watch how it helps you grow your channel. If you want to see what the sign-up process looks like for Vidic, I made a video showing the exact steps. Check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips on how to grow your YouTube channel.